Hello, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. In this episode of Investing 102, I'm going to show you my moves for crypto for 2022. That is correct. The end of the year is coming up, and I'm going to talk about what am I going to do different for the next coming year. Whenever you're doing investing, it's always good to build a great foundation. Whether it's crypto, stock market, real estate, whatever it is, I like to break things into multiple steps. So this is the way I view my crypto leveling up. What I like to do is in the beginning, you learn what is money, you buy into a Bitcoin, Ether, or whatever the most common way. The next level that's a little bit harder is buy into smaller projects, maybe some altcoins, maybe some things that are much higher risk. Those are things that are considered like lottery bets. You can put a $500, you can put $100, you can put $20, but you can 10x, 20x, 100x, 1,000 extra money, maybe even more. Some people who did that in 2021 have experienced a 1,000,000% return. So these are the things that you can put $1, $2, or $5 into, and if it goes to zero, you're okay with losing $5. But if it goes up 1,000,000%, obviously that's $5 million. So there's a lot of reason why people do these higher risk stuff. And the next area that I like is this newer concept of collecting NFTs. There's digital assets, there's art, there's music, there's game components, there's these free to earn in blockchain gaming. And then obviously trading crypto is no different from trading stocks or options or penny stock. There are many people who do those. So those are higher risk, but these are all the things that you can do. And why do we do all this? So the reason are 2021 is coming to an end, and I wanted to show you this. Most projects are up about 50%. I believe blockchain is up about 140% as of today. It's been down lately toward the end of December, but it was a great year. Most things were up 100, 200, 300%, and I wanted to show you that. Here's an example in Ether or Ethereum. You can see that it is up nearly 600%. This is I don't have a lot. You see this 0.03 Ether is nothing. That's $120. If you do the math, that means I had very little money in here. So one thing I want to do is I've been successful with my referral links. And for those of you who want to support me, you're not my client, just support me. Use my referral link. If you put $100 into Coinbase, I will get $10 bonus and you will also get the $10 bonus. What I'm doing is through my Coinbase account, I'm still going to invest. So I already have this going for 2021. I'm going to continue doing that for 2022. I'm going to do $50 into Polkadot. That is another smaller project. I consider that more of a level 1 or 2 thinking. And then I'm adding a new one. I'm adding another $50 into Solana. And what this is it can be a layer 1 or a layer 2 solution, depending on how you view it. But this particular project is interesting. Layer 1 solutions are generally the underlying blockchain, like Ethereum. The problem is, even if you add in a layer 2 solution on top of Ethereum, sometimes it's still not as fast. There's still some limitations. And this includes when they introduce sharding. What I want to do is pick a different project that may actually prove that if your layer 1 stinks, then you need a different layer 1 solution that's faster. And so Solana does that. And Solana can also act as a layer 2. So I believe in this particular project may have some legs and that you will continue to still make money. I don't want to ever think that you missed out on the 10,000% return. So I'm going to add $50 to it. It's not a lot of money. Again, if this thing can go up 100%, 100% is just 1x. If this thing can 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x, whatever it may be. So this is the things that I'm looking at. And the last area that I've been doing is I've been playing blockchain gaming. And again, with the same concept of if you pick the right game, you may be lucky, you can earn a living on it. If not, it's still fun. I don't like playing games where you put in, let's say, 5 hours a week into a game. And at the end of it, let's say a year later, you're tired of it. Those digital assets have zero value. You can't really sell your sword or your character from World of Warcraft or from a D&D game or whatever game that you're playing, or the skins on your Fortnite or whatever it may be. blockchain gaming solves some of that. If you're tired of the game, sell your assets. You can sell it on OpenSeas dot whatever it is, but you can sell your assets on these particular games and move on to another game. So that's what I'm looking forward to in 2022. With that being said, hey guys, this is not financial advice. Don't forget, crypto is high risk, high reward. Make sure you check with your registered investment advisor, your financial advisor, or your tax advisor, whoever you talk to. Remember, this is just educational purposes only. This is just some of the things that I am doing or will be doing for 2022. With that being said, hey, I want to help you win with money. Let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. And as always, have a profitable day. Bye-bye.